Hello everyone, I suppose you are all having a beautiful day as always. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a very powerful 3-in-1 drink. So this drink is a disease fighting drink. That is, the drink will get into your system, fight all the diseases causing deadly illnesses like diabetes, kidney stone, high blood pressure and the rest. So if you're equally somebody who suffers from high blood pressure, diabetes or kidney stones, I highly recommend this drink for you, as it is a very powerful disease fighting drink. It will cleanse all the toxins out of your system, causing all those deadly illnesses. We all want to live long. We don't want to die before our time. So this drink is very powerful, a very powerful detoxifier to flush all toxins out of your system, equally causing belly fat and unnecessary weight gain. This drink is so good. Consuming this drink will equally make you to look years younger, like 10 years younger. That is because after consuming this drink, all those toxins or dirt in your system will be flushed out. That way you look fresher, brighter and more youthful. Yeah, so this is the drink. I'll show you how to come up with the drink yourself at home. It is just like a smoothie. You don't need to sieve the drink. You need to drink everything. Just drink everything after blending the ingredients. Yeah, so that is it. The drink is not really fun in the mouth. It is basic, but what we need is the benefit of this drink. It has so many benefits, and the ingredients used in making this drink are jam-packed with so many vitamins and minerals you need for your system. Yeah, so let me not waste your time. I'll take you now and show you how to come up with the drink yourself at home. Equally, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you love me and my tips. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you wish to know more about me. I will leave the link somewhere in this video. So let me take you now and show you how to come up with the drink yourself at home. So in order to make this very powerful disease fighting drink, the first and important ingredient you will need, of course, is parsley. That is because parsley is a very powerful green leafy vegetables with so many benefits when consumed. The first is that it acts as a detoxifier to flush all toxins out of your system, causing deadly illnesses like kidney stones, diabetes, high blood pressure and the rest. It helps to promote the kidney to cleanse itself. It helps to control diabetes, that is all those deadly illnesses. It equally acts as an anti-inflammatory and equally a very powerful antioxidant to fight free radical damage. If you equally have hormonal imbalance, you should be drinking parsley, because parsley helps to balance the hormone. It helps for bad breath. It boosts your immune system. So if you are somebody who has HIV, you should be drinking parsley because it will help to boost your immune system. So many benefits. So you need this quantity of parsley for the drink we're about to make. You just slice into sizes that can get into your blender and blend. Parsley is equally a very powerful anti-aging ingredient to fight aging on the skin. It helps with new cell regeneration. It has so many benefits I can list till tomorrow. So what you need to do is to slice the parsley. Make sure to rewash. You slice plus the stems, so make sure to slice plus the stems. Always rewash your ingredients before you put in your blender, so you don't put in bad dirt into your system, which is what we are fighting, causing all those deadly illnesses. So that is my first ingredient in the blender. The second ingredient you want to add is cucumber. Cucumber is equally a very good ingredient for cleansing and detoxification. It is 80% water based to get into your system and help your system detox itself, leaving your system hydrated, fresh, and you look years younger eating cucumbers. So that makes it the second and very good ingredient for this drink. So you equally slice into sizes that you can easily blend. Don't forget to always wash your ingredients as I just did, and voila, that is the second ingredient you put in your blender. The third ingredient you want to add is lemon. So lemons are highly rich in vitamin C to fight free radical damage causing premature aging, dullness on the skin, and leave your skin now looking younger. It helps to enable your skin breathe so you look vibrant and fresh, hydrated, not dull and flaky. So you just need to slice one lemon into sizes that you can easily blend. Yeah, so as you see, you don't need to squeeze out the juice, you actually need to blend everything plus the seeds and the peel. Very medicinal with all the benefits you get from the lemon. Don't squeeze out the juice, just try to slice everything as I did, and that is the next thing you want to add. So as always, I'm just going to wash my lemons and add into the first two ingredients. So this is my lemon. You just add in the parsley and the cucumber. So the next thing you want to add is 1 liter of water. So I'll add in 2.5 liters of my water to make one liter of water. You can add 1.5 liter of water if you want the drink really watery, but if you want it thick, you add in 1 liter of water. So depending on your preference, you just blend everything to be smooth, and voila, this is your drink. You can serve it. You can drink this 3 times, 1 glass in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, 1 in the evening, to actually really detoxify your system. And I would recommend you have a fruity kind of day or vegetable salad kind of day drinking this, so your system is really clean. You don't eat all the fatty food and consume this. I would advise you take it as a cleansing day. Eat more of vegetables, fruit salad, vegetable salad while having this, so it really cleanses your system and fights all those deadly illnesses out of your system, leaving your skin now looking younger, vibrant and glowing. So I hope somebody finds this video helpful. Don't forget to like and share, and see you in my next video. Bye.